Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is going to be a bake with me video, and this is going to be the first time I'm going to do this on my channel. So comment down below if you like these videos and just thumbs up the video. Give it a like. But today we are going to make powdered sugar cookies, and since we're in quarantine right now, we got nothing else to do but learn how to cook, bake, try to be productive. But yeah, so if you guys want to know how to make it, it's just like 3 to 4 steps and a few ingredients you should have at home. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get into the video. All-purpose flour, baking soda, powdered sugar, salt, vanilla extract, butter, an egg. So in substitute to one of the ingredients, we're gonna use lemon juice. And lastly is vegetable oil, and this is canola oil. So the measurements that I'm giving you is for a dozen cookies, so just keep that in mind. So we're doing 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar, powdered sugar. One-fourth cup of white sugar. 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, a pinch of salt, and we're gonna whisk that together. Whisk the stuff, and they're just gonna go off to the side. We're gonna put the dry ingredients and the eggs together. So we're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, but we're using baking powder, one-fourth teaspoon of lemon juice, vanilla extract. I kind of poured a lot. It says a half an egg, but we're just gonna put. So we're gonna add all of this that I just put to the other batch. I kind of buttered up my pan because I don't have no like Pam spray or cookie sheets or whatever it is. So we're using butter. They don't really go, I put too much, but to be honest, like I made cookies before, and they don't taste like butter, so don't worry. So I'm gonna take my spoon and just like, they told me to put in balls, but not doing that. So we're just gonna take the spoon and like kind of place it on the sheet. We're gonna preheat the oven at 350 and put the cookies in. They look alright, but let's see. We're supposed to leave them in for 8 minutes, but it'll probably be in there for longer. They're turning into pancakes. So here are the cookies. They took like about 8 to 15 minutes, and now we're gonna let it cool so we can like pick them up and stuff. Perfect.
It's gonna be really crispy.
We're gonna taste the cookie. Taste test. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I like it.
Oh.
It's like a pancake.
It's like a biscuit.
Yeah.
So that was the end of the sugar cookie video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and comment down below if you guys are gonna make it, and if you like sugar cookies. But comment down below any other videos of cooking or baking you want me to do, and hopefully I have the ingredients for them and I'll gladly make it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.